Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick video on Powerledger. I had to make a video on that. I mean, we've seen some strong bullish momentum in the last day actually. I mean, most of this was just yesterday afternoon. Had a nice rally of about 36%, and as you can see from Powerledger, there is probably more potential. All right, historically, Powerledger is always and always has been a bit of a manipulated crypto, because I must be honest, I do think this is blatant manipulation, and I'll tell you some other things, and I'll show you some proof about that later, and I'll give you some warnings. But that is something you should know. But that's also, I mean, it's a blessing and a curse, all right? Because manipulation, the thing is that fundamentally, manipulation means that retail loses money. That's always what I'm convinced in, all right? Because manipulators make money, they always do. So that means that the retail section of the market that's trading Powerledger right now is going to lose money. And the proof for manipulation is, well, first of all, the sheer volume. I mean, $630 million in a crypto like this. And then most of that volume coming from Upbit, UEE, 4E, Bitrue, Bithumb, Websy, all shady exchanges. About, like, let's say 20% maybe comes from normal exchanges. So it's definitely manipulated, and to a much higher extent than other cryptos. I mean, most cryptos are manipulated to a certain extent, not this much. All right, so the big question is, well, all right, it is manipulated, but does that mean that we're going to dump or pump higher? And that's a beautiful thing about manipulation. There is no clear answer to that. All right, you can see right now that Powerledger is at a significant resistance level, I would say. I'll even set some sort of a price target, because I might actually buy if we break above that. So we're at a significant resistance level, but we also got some major bullish breakouts right here, above the POC right here, and just in general, there's a big key level around it. So the big thing is that Powr right now needs to keep some sort of momentum. And if you look at the momentum right now, it's very bullish. All right, there's nothing bearish about this momentum. It's still moving up. So if the momentum is still moving up like this, but you can also see like millions and millions of dollars are being opened in positions right now. So what that means is that there's a lot of liquidity forming, probably to the downside. So that means that at some point of time, when they're going to dump this coin again, they'll be able to profit off of those liquidations a lot. At this moment, like I said, open interest is going up. Most of the liquidity is to the upside. So I think the most likely scenario at this moment is still more bullish momentum. But the thing is that what you usually see after a big manipulated move like this, I mean, this is also clear manipulation, is that the manipulators that actually bought and pumped the price up here actually still hold some tokens. And what they do often is they pump up the price once more to sell the tokens up higher for a higher average price. So just be careful for that, all right? You know the game plan. You know most of retail loses money. If you're not that good of a trader, if you're a new trader, I would just stay away from this, all right? But honestly, if I look at the numbers right now, excuse me, I would still say it's most likely will rally up higher towards 50 cents and 52 cents. And from there we'll see again, all right? Because it just depends on whether that open interest keeps going up. So whether we can keep some momentum, and how the liquidity is looking. I mean, so far we have not had that many big short liquidations. If we get some big short liquidations, well, then the chance to get some sort of a big pullback increases. So for now, this seems most likely, but I'll keep you updated. Be careful. And if for some reason the open interest starts falling, if the volume starts falling, we're losing momentum, then we could crash back down towards 30 cents before you know it. So be careful. For now, still looks bullish, but yeah, all right, you know it. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in that and interested in when I, for example, would open a trade on Powr. But that's up to you. Check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.